Have you ever had the need to move around some content on your Umbraco CMS website from one section to a completely different section on the website? Did you know that Umbraco CMS actually has a feature that allows you to move around content like that? And it even adds the URL redirects for it when you do it? My name is Sophie, and in this video I'll show you how you can use the Move feature to move around content on your Umbraco CMS website. Let's take a look. We'll start by having a quick look at the site we'll be working with. So this is the homepage of the website. In this video we'll be focusing on Learn Umbraco and products. Currently there is a page about integrations here in the Learn Umbraco section. Putting this article here might once have made sense, but does not anymore, and a better fit would probably be in the product section. So we'll be moving it around, and in order to do that we'll need to head over to the content section of the back office, which we have open over here. Now from the content tree we need to locate the node that we want to move around, which was currently under Learn Umbraco, the integration page here. So let's right click the node here that we want to move, and then we'll choose the Move feature here. In this dialog we'll need to tell it where to go next. So for this one here we will select products. It'll add a little check mark here, and we can set it to move. We'll click OK, and let's take a look at the front end up here. Let's refresh. On the Learn Umbraco we only have a single node, and under products we have integrations. Alright, let's do one more example. So I think it would make more sense if we put this entire team section into the About Umbraco section. So let's head on back to the content section of the back office here, and we will identify the node that we want to move, which would then be the team page here. We'll right click the nodes, select Move, and then we'll choose to place it under About Umbraco. Let's move it. And it tells us fail to move content. The current node is not allowed under the chosen node because of its type. So what does this mean? Yeah, it means that the About Umbraco node here uses a document type that does not allow us to add child nodes using the document type that the team member node is using. So let's change that. We will open the document type that the About Umbraco page is using, which we'll find over here. Let's open it up and we'll navigate to the permissions section here. And then we'll need to add a child, and here we will select the team members page here. Great, let's submit that, save and close. All right, now let's give it another go. Let's right click, move, and choose About Umbraco, and let's select Move. And there we go. The team page is now moved under About Umbraco. Great, let's just take a quick look at the front end here to see that everything looks as we want it to look. Yes, the team was removed from the navigation here and into the About Umbraco section instead. Great, now when moving these pages around, the redirect URL manager has already set up the redirects. So let's head back to the back office one more time and take a look. We'll need to select the content section up here and choose the Redirect URL Management tab up here. Here you will see an entry for each of the pages that has been moved around. Now you know how to seamlessly move around content on your Umbraco CMS website, should you need it, of course. And this is even without having to worry about manual redirects. That was all for this video. Remember to keep an eye on the channel for new content. Have a good one.